This is a gold leaf electroscope. It is used to determine whether an object is charged and estimate the amount of charge it carries. First, place a metal plate onto it. Stick it with a sticker. Charge the metal plate negatively with the EHT. We can see that the gold leaf deflects upwards. This indicates that the metal plate is charged. Now, illuminate the metal plate using a ray box. Is there any change in the gold leaf? Next, we illuminate the metal plate using an ultraviolet lamp. Is there any change to the gold leaf this time? What can you conclude from the results of the experiment?